I enjoy playing around with my Pinsoon air oven. Today I made some kind of baked cheese omelet consisting of eggs, cheese, American cheese, bacon, onions, jalapeno peppers, and some artichoke hearts, salt and pepper. So I'll give it a cut open and maybe a little taste test to see how it is. It came out of the pan pretty well, so we're going to try this with a little bit of Arizona Gunslinger on it. So let's give it a little taste test here. Perfect. With hash browns and some toast, that's going to be a nice breakfast. And here it is, what, 2:30 in the afternoon, but I'm just playing around. I could do this with company and I know it will turn out. For those interested, the recipe for this was 5 eggs, salt and pepper, like you would salt and pepper each individual egg on your plate, 2 slices of American cheese ripped up and thrown up in little pieces, 1 slice of onion chopped up, about 5 jalapenos that are sliced, in the jar that you get, and then I chop them up, 2 artichoke hearts, and I chopped them up, mixed everything up really good. I fried 2 slices of bacon, used the grease to grease the pan in it, and then I chopped up the bacon, put that in this mixture, mixed it up one last time, and put it all in the pan that'll fit in the Pinsoon air oven. I set the temperature for 375 and baked it for 15 minutes, and it came out perfect.